Hi guys, I'm Deeksha from 91 Mobiles and I'm at the TCL event where the company has launched a smartphone. This is called the TCL 560. It's the first phone from a 4G smartphone series which the company is planning to launch. The smartphone is Amazon exclusive, priced at rupees 7,999 and it will go on sale starting midnight tonight. Let's check this phone out and we'll first talk about the look and feel of the phone. Now, you might feel it looks really nice because of the gold brushed finish that you get on the back, but overall the built-in feel of this phone is pretty cheap and it's been crafted out of plastic and don't even get metal edges, so it's just an average looking smartphone. It's light, which is a plus. You can easily handle it. It feels secure in the hands. The port placement on this phone is pretty standard, and unlike many phones that you see these days, this sports a removable back panel and this can be removed to reveal 2 SIM slots and a micro SD card slot. This phone is a 4G phone, but it supports 4G on only one of the SIM slots. So now that we've talked about the look and feel of the phone, let's come to the display. Now the display that you see right here is a 5.5-inch display with HD resolution, so it's not stunningly sharp, but you can still work with it. As you can see, the brightness is pretty impressive. However, the display on this phone is highly reflective, so you might have issues using it in bright sunlight. The viewing angles are pretty good as well. Overall, it's a nice display. So in terms of processing, this phone uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 processor. This is a very old chip and it's slightly disappointing to see that the company has gone for it. To aid the processor, you get 2 GB of RAM. So ideally, everyday usage on this phone should be okay, but you might have issues during heavy usage. Our small session with the phone seems decent enough. As you can see, the operation does not feel very fluid. In terms of built-in memory, you get 16 GB of storage, out of which, as you can see, about 6 GB is used, so you get 10 GB for your personal use. Coming to the software, this phone runs Android Marshmallow, which is a huge plus. It comes with the latest Android out of the box. And the UI is pretty much stock. You can see that there's a change in the icons, but other than that, the overall UI is near stock. However, this phone comes with a lot of preloaded applications. You get Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, get a bunch of games like Spider-Man, Cars Racing, Puzzle Pets. There's Amazon Shopping, Amazon Kindle, and the usual Google Suite. Now let's talk about the camera on this phone. It uses an 8-megapixel primary camera, which is assisted by an LED flash, as you can see right here. The front camera is rated at 5 megapixels and it comes built in with an iris scanner, so you can use it to unlock the TCL 560 with your eyes, which is one of the key highlights of this phone. Coming back to the camera, the default camera app is pretty minimal. As you can see right here, you get the virtual shutter key. On the right of the viewfinder, you have the usual toggles of controlling the flash, switching to the front camera here, and you can access a bunch of settings and modes from the toggle on the bottom left, which include HDR mode, panorama mode and face beauty mode, and that is pretty much it about the camera app. We clicked a few pictures with the primary camera of this phone and it seems to have captured good colors and details. However, we'll be able to comment on the camera quality of this phone after we test the shooters in various shooting conditions. Coming to the battery, this phone is backed by a 2500 mAh battery, which sounds just enough to make this phone last through the day. There's a battery saver mode and battery optimization to help you extract the most juice out of the battery. So those are pretty much our thoughts about the new TCL 560 basis the short time that we spent with the smartphone at the price of rupees 7,999. It competes with the Coolpad Note 3, which recently got a price cut. Now that phone has 3 GB of RAM, a fingerprint reader, the processor is octa-core, so specification wise it beats the TCL 560. However, we'll tell you how the TCL 560 fares as a daily driver once we review it. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.